Good morning, everybody. How are you? Oops, let me turn off my heater. There we go. Not so loud. How are you guys? We're going to go into my Pinterest board. If you want to follow me, feel free. Going to go into my Christmas pins and let's pick something. What do we feel like doing today? Um, let's do. Oh, let's that's a good inspiration. I like that. White pen, bit of Tangles as Christmas trees. Let's do that. I'm just gonna do a teeny one today, cause it's Monday. Let's do something small, small. So this page is only it's like ATC size. It's 2.5 by 4. And let's zoom way in so you guys can see. Get my white pen. I think I'm going to do it with this one, this ZSCN acrylic pen. It works okay. And we're just gonna go for it. I think I'm gonna do gently put triangular. Just super light in here. Let's do 3. Do I know what I'm doing? Nope. Nope. Just doodling. Just doodling some trees. Is it specific patterns? Nope. It's not. Give me one at the top. There's one little tree. I like this one that they did with this sort of just kind of using their thing as an inspiration. Something like that, and then maybe one here. I like that one. So let's do that one, which goes. I'm trying to remember how this works. I think that's called Arucas. I don't know. Let me just. Am I saying much? No, I'm not. Trying to get this done because I have to go to work today, and I was supposed to go in at 3 o'clock, and now I'm going in as soon as I can get there. But I said, I have things to do. I have things I need to get done. I need to draw. So I'm just trying to accomplish that before I get to work. There's a dog next door that's just barking its little head off. It must be having some separation anxiety, because it's not barking like it's barking at something. It's just barking to bark. About to there. And then down here. A little more ink in that pen. Looky there. Something like that. A set of trees. Let's give ourselves some snow here. Something like that. And let's give ourselves a few stars. It's either stars or snowflakes, whichever you think it is. Like so. Super simple. Just doodle some trees. That's all. Oops, that's all I did. Make a little ATC. Tuck it inside one of your Christmas cards. Easy peasy. Few minutes. What was that? 5-10 minutes? Yeah, less than 10 minutes. And boom. Easy. You're done. I feel like this needs to come out a little more, but I'm afraid that that's going to cause an issue. This one's going to be furry. More furry. Why? I don't know. It was fine the way it was. Why are you messing with it, Dawn? Don't know why I'm messing with it. I just feel like it wants to be furrier. It wants to be a furry tree. To contrast it with this one. It wants to be furry. And it wants to have this to be filled in the middle. Why? I don't know. It just does. That's kind of weird. I don't know if I liked it better the other way, but it is what it is now. I finished it. All right, you guys have a great day. I will see you on whatever the next video is going to be. Another Christmas one. We're going to just stick with that Christmas theme all throughout this month. I will see you on the next video. Bye, everyone. Go out and have some nice day. do something nice for someone today. Make the world a better place, okay? Love ya. Bye.